Hello and welcome to RetroNet Videos. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this Windows Mobile running Touch Pro, HTC Touch Pro. It's running the latest version of Energy ROM, Windows Mobile 6.5.3 as it's called. It wasn't official, never released to OEMs or anything, but I'm going to be showing multitasking using this fantastic application I have found called TaskFacade. And there you can see it. It is basically a very elegant and easy to use task switcher for Windows Mobile. You can download it at the link down there or on the website if you're reading this on the website. Yeah, down there still. It's one simple cab. You install it on your device, and then what you simply do is you go to settings. I don't know if you can see this very well. Camera's not wanting to focus. Then you go to, I think it's personal. Yeah, settings, personal, buttons, and then you see you have the web button, the send button, long press, end button, long press. I have it set to a long press of the green send button on my HTC Touch Pro. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to music, try and find some music that I can maybe play without getting in trouble by somebody. There we go. Well, I can't really hear it. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to open up some applications here. Start up Opera. Open up a website in Opera. If I can spell the URL right, I will open up a website in Opera. There we go. And that'll load eventually. There we go. I've loaded my website, and then I'll just push the home key and go back. The program is still running. I'll open up ZSIRC. Connect to a server. Okay, I've connected to my IRC server. Go back, it's still running. I'll open up Windows Live. Maybe. There, that's why I don't use Windows Live that much. Okay, so now Windows Live is open. So now I have all these programs open. I simply long press that, and here you can see all my programs. There's Opera, Palrango, back to the home screen, Windows Live, and ZSIRC all right there. And you'll notice that the music is still playing. It hasn't stuttered. Windows Mobile does a fantastic job of allocating resources to the programs that need it the most. So I go here to Windows Mobile, browse around on my site here. It's all still smooth and works fine. Go back to the task switcher, and you can do that from any program. I don't know why I pushed the home key first. Go back to ZSIRC. It's still been there, receiving whatever messages nobody sent because no one ever gets on my IRC server. Go back to the task switcher. You know, I'm running I'm running 4 different programs that all use the internet, and they're all still getting data streamed into them and out and whatever resources they need. And the music is still playing, hasn't stuttered once. Go and pause that. I've proved my point with that. Now hopefully you can hear me. Go back into the task switcher. I'll show you can change the settings and themes by tapping real quick on double tapping on an empty spot. Or is it long tapping? Oh. Well, I know there's some way. Oh. Tap menu, go to options, look through the options here real quick. You can change your themes, although I found that the default theme is the best. Display mode, you can choose whether the taskbar up here and the menu bar show up, just one or none at all. Whether the by default the previews are side by side or above each other by default. Make it launch automatically, button tap delays, and programs you don't want it to show, which you can also do. Let's say I don't want it to show ZSIRC, long tap on it. No. Yes, long tap on it, it'll select it. Then you click process, you can click hide, you can activate to go to it, close it, click close another and it'll let you show another. Go to properties. You can't see a bloody thing. You can change what it shows up as here. Other stuff, I have no idea what this stuff means. Oh no. And then when you're all done with all that nonsense, you can just tap on a program and go to it. This is a really fantastic program. It's quick. All my button bindings were taken up, but you can set it to just be like a short tap of that and you can go to it even quicker. You'll notice that the Maemo, M-A-E-M-O 5 interface uses a multitask system similar to this, where it shows all the open programs, little previews of them, little thumbnails as a grid, and then you can then click on one and go to it. And it works really well. It's the most elegant task switcher I've found. And it'll work on this old Touch Pro, 600 megahertz, 128 megabytes of RAM or something like that. Just a standard CDMA Sprint Touch Pro. It works fantastic. It is definitely becoming a permanent program on here. I am putting that into my XDAUC folder, because that is just great. Everything run the Windows default multitasking stuff built into the OS that allocates resources works brilliantly. It does a great job of deciding what gets what and how much RAM and how much of the CPU to put towards this stuff, so that there's hardly any lag when you're running. I've run like 8 programs at once because I don't have that many programs I need to run. And basically I can make this do everything that your average netbook can do with this program here. It's fantastic. Definitely a must download for anyone who wants to try and get a more desktop-like experience on their phone without compromising too many resources. Also, I would like to apologize for the terrible quality of this recording. You can't really see the screen. I would have used something like the name. My Mobler, which will let you view and control your phone from your computer. I would have used something like that and simply done a screen capture, but that would have slowed down the phone, and I was really trying to show how fast and how easy and quick and stuff you can do things like this. And with my Mobler there would have been all sorts of lag, and it wouldn't have made the program look as good, so we're left with a blurry recording and just complete rubbish.